you for joining me. My name is Michael Coffey. I'm with Physical Therapy Connections. We're located inside the Pueblo Athletic Club at 58 Glenroy Drive. For Technique Tuesday, I'd like to talk about carpal tunnel. First of all, a lot of carpal tunnel symptoms, or people who are diagnosed with carpal tunnel oftentimes don't actually have carpal tunnel. It's a very broad term. Sometimes the problem can even be coming from your neck. But let's say that you have carpal tunnel symptoms. Tingling in the hands, especially when you're sleeping. Wake up, have to shake your hand out a lot because it's tingling, numb, you feel weakness. A lot of the times we don't stretch our hands enough, and we use these all the time. So I'm going to give you a couple techniques. So the first technique I would do is put both hands together, and keeping with the fingers that you're going to stretch, keeping that wrist straight for this particular technique is paramount. So what I'm going to do while keeping this wrist straight is bend those fingers back, and what that's doing is stretching all the tendons for the main muscles of your hands, which are actually in your forearm, out to be able to create some room in that carpal tunnel, or the wrist area. The next thing I want to do is I want to take my hand, I'm going to open it and close it, and I'm going to do this 20 times. I'm going to do 3 sets. So one set of 20. So I'm not going to do actually 20 in front of you. I'm going to do that 20 times. And then I'm going to close my hand and open it. I'm going to do that 20 times, 3 sets. And then I'm going to go like I'm knocking on a door 20 times for 3 sets. And then I'm going to go back 20 times for 3 sets. And then with the thumb up, and this is very important, keeping that wrist neutral, and then up, and then back neutral. So I'm not going down with that wrist. I'm just coming up, and then neutral. Up and neutral. I'm going to do that 20 times for 3 sets. As a massage therapist, we have an average shelf life of 2 to 5 years before our thumbs or our wrists fail. So by doing these techniques and stretching every day, I've been able to be a massage therapist for about 12 years now without any major problems. Hopefully this helps you. If not, please call us 719-565-6678. Come in and see me, Michael Coffey, your neighborhood massage therapist, or one of our lovely physical therapists to help you out. Thank you so much.